Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Menteri Rangba jong kejela Konrad Konggal Sangma menta kasngi ka laitrik ubna jeliu arajar arpuwei ula ong baka sorkar kan amyedan benta AA ban muslia halor ka jingmudui ejahar persya ya UMLA jong ka seng National People's Party Thomas Sangma haga wei ka kenthei halor ka jingkeno bo ula don kti ban le be ijat yaka habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor Menteri Rangba ula ong banaka liang jong ka sorkar kan shanya teli ban ha ki bor jong ka ain ban penlong ya ka jing tokit ka bakhuj khnang ban lap ya ka jing shisha bat bakan amdon kanogono ka jing tukular na kanogono ka liang kat bakatanat pulit kadang penlong ya ka jing token.
There was an FIR that was filed. This is of course a very personal matter. I don't feel it appropriate that we as a government should respond to it. It's something that has happened at an individual level, and from our side and as a government, the only thing we can ensure and assure is that law will take its own course. We will ensure that there is proper investigation that takes place. We will ensure that the truth comes out with proper investigation, and that there is no influence or no pressure from anywhere to in any way affect the investigation process. That's the only thing that the government can say from its side. But apart from that, as I said, it's if it happened to somebody else, then it would not have come out in this manner in the press. The person happens to be a political leader, but nonetheless still an individual and a citizen. And therefore, with that in mind, it is at an individual level. So whatever it is, the government has no comments on individual matters related to individual people. But from our side, what is important is to ensure that the law should be applicable in the same manner to everybody. It will be very unfair for us to just simply jump to any conclusion. It will be appropriate for us to ensure that we are fair to everybody in this. That includes both the people concerned. And therefore, only a proper investigation and the facts, once they come out, will give light to the entire situation. And then, based on what investigations come out, we can take necessary action, and we will take action if that is the case. But it would be not fair at this point in time to really jump to a conclusion without the investigation being done. So let the investigation be done, and then accordingly we will take necessary steps and action.